Where's the horn, Jackie? Where's the horn?
Money in duct tape.
$90? No way. We spent like almost 40, like about 40. Huh?
We spent like 50.
I think we spent like 75.
We spent 50.
Are you guys serious?
We spent 50, but that's all on duct tape.
Dang.
Just by next time.
I want one of them. Oh, she's gonna slip. Really, she's gonna like, oh man, I would. I hope she does. Yeah.
No, that thing doesn't look too stable. That other boat, it's leaning everywhere.
So you think you can't get back up and go into it again?
Oh yeah, if she falls off, can she still get back up and go on?
No, you can still attempt to go back on.
But you
It's
can't,
just
then you
Just the
fail.
boat that can't.
yeah, no, it's just that the boat's not screwed up. She just fell. Everyone's helping her.
How are they caught a kick?
How do they get?
Oh, they have the floor, they can just tip her over. I would have been like, you have to fly all the way over there.
She knew that with their oars.
Tip her over.
So tired.
Are you recording this, Grace?
Hey, there you go.
Oh, she should. Try to stand up on it.
No way. Stand up on
Stand up.
Ball.
Like right here. And she falls into right here. Oh, dude. That one. Why'd you wear that? Huh? She's trying to look stylish. Oh, it's pretty cool when they do it.
Don't push me.
The walls.
That's always their excuse.
It took you a while. Yeah. No one's falling in.
No,
Danny, have those poke holes in there. No.
Hey, wait, that was on video. Wait till I turn it off, man. You guys want to see it?
Are you recording everyone?
So far I have been.